In this video, I will show you how to quickly convert negative numbers to positive in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, I have an Excel sheet containing some negative numbers. What I want to do is to convert all these negative numbers to positive numbers. There are several ways to do it, but let's start with the easy method first. To start with, simply enter -1 in any empty cell. Now select the cell containing the -1 value and copy it using the Ctrl+C shortcut. Now select the range of cells containing the negative numbers. Go to the Paste menu and select the Paste Spatial option. Here select the Multiply option. This will multiply all the selected numbers with -1, thus changing them from negative to positive values. Click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, all the negative numbers have become positive now. This method works only if all the numbers are negative. If you have both positive and negative numbers in the same column, doing this will cause positive numbers converted to negative numbers like this. Option 2 is to use the ABS function to prevent that from happening. The ABS function returns an absolute value of a number without its sign. To use that, select the target cell and type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type ABS followed by an opening bracket. Now select the cell containing the number and then the closing bracket. Hit the Enter key to complete the formula. Drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, now all the negative numbers are converted to positive numbers and all the positive numbers are remained positive. When we select any of these cells, the formula bar will display a formula instead of a value. If you want values, select the cells and copy them. Now right click and select the values from the paste options. The formula bar will now display the values instead of the formulas. Watch this video to learn how to quickly convert positive numbers to negative in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.